I only F with Clevver with 2 V's.
Do I click on it? I thought I was being pizzazzy.
It is spooky season, y'all, and you guys know that I have been waiting so long for this moment because it's my favorite time of the year. And get this, if it's also your favorite time of the year, we will be releasing a spooky themed video every Wednesday in October.
This is your favorite time of the year, and this is our favorite game to play on this channel, but we're doing a spooky edition of buying items based on reviews. And that means that we're buying only Halloween costumes that we found on Amazon.
Also, I would just like to note that since we're putting out a spooky themed video every Wednesday, it's like Wednesday Adam.
I want to smile.
All right, and I am the host today. I've never been the host. This is so exciting.
Fancy.
Oh, man. Thank you guys so much. You guys may or may not know how we play, but it's so much fun. We have 10 items that I will be reading on this card. First one of you to 4 items sort of wins the game and gets to keep all those 4 items. And whatever you guys don't decide to choose, I get to take.
That's new.
I know, I invented it.
There are new rules to this game.
Try on.
Oh.
Okay, I understand.
All right, is everyone ready for number 1?
Yes.
So exciting. So in love. I got this for a Halloween festival at my son's school. I was going to be setting up for hours ahead of time and needing something I could quickly pull on the ready. I chose to do my makeup as opposed to zipping up the amazing blank, as it was a little scary for the young ones and hard to see at night.
That's absolutely hell.
I don't do scary Halloween. I do cute Halloween.
Also, that tells me that it goes over your head, but she decided not to put it on her head and do makeup instead.
Also, like Sun's festival just doesn't sound like something I would be
because you want
interested
sexy
in.
and you know it's not gonna be sexy.
Yeah.
Review number 2. I was the best costume at work. This is a great costume. I wore a black shirt and pants and then put on the blank as my costume. It is lightweight and easy to wear. Everyone thought it was very clever.
Ooh, it says clever.
You're not gonna get me, it only has 1 V.
It says clever.
I only F with Clevver with 2 V's.
You're right.
Oh,
It's a
I'm gonna be
basic.
trying on so many outfits today.
You have every reason to be excited.
Number 3, so freaking cute. At first I didn't know how I'd feel about the costume, but it exceeded my expectations. I got several compliments from coworkers and strangers. Definitely worth the purchase. I added 2 tutus I already owned underneath to make it pop. Overall, a great buy.
We don't have tutus, so it means it's gonna look all
But if
deflated.
tutus means like, you know, I'm like into like those
Yeah,
like big
Victorian
Victorian
era.
area. What if she had to put tutus to make it bigger?
I
Do I
mean,
click on it?
We gotta get to 4.
Do I
feel
click on it?
Yeah, I feel like you were gonna click it and then you held back.
It could be good.
Yeah.
She did it. She did it.
Yeah.
Woof! Finally!
Number 4, great last second costume.
Last
second.
Oh, on the last
yeah.
second, she ordered it last minute.
All the pieces are there and takes the annoying guesswork out of making the costume. The blank was super soft and comfy, perfect for a sexy cold weather costume. I live in Tahoe, so I paired this with some black over-the-knee boots with wool socks underneath. Cute.
Oh, it's a cute
It does sound
compliment.
cute. It does sound cute. I'm gonna pass on it though.
What the heck? You guys were at 4. You think we have 25 of these?
Yeah, who am I?
10.
We still get to 4.
I love a good
Listen,
cat suit though.
I don't play around when it comes to Halloween, so if it doesn't sound enticing, I'm not gonna do it.
I see.
There's no words to express how hot this is.
No! I want that one! Did you actually make the noise?
Jackie has 2 costumes, Drew has 0 costumes, and I have like 5 costumes.
4.
So
Yeah.
Sunday for me. Perfect. I got this to wear for a charity dunk tank event. It was a perfect throwback.
Swimsuit.
The benefit was that it dried quickly and was not heavy at all.
How is that Halloween?
Just
Oh, it's
not-
a mermaid.
I think it's Baywatch.
Oh.
That's what I think it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Next.
You don't want anything?
We want, you know what? We want to include
I
you.
want a Madeline fashion show.
I want a
That's what I
Madeline
want.
Baywatch moment.
It feels like a setup.
Damn it.
Hey, it's a costume, so I wasn't expecting a Donna Karen. I used it twice. Granddaughter birthday party and Halloween. Stood up well. Passed it on to a friend because as a woman, I just can't be seen in the same outfit too often.
I'm not impressed.
I mean, if you wore it to a kid's birthday party, it's probably kind of boring.
Give me more excitement in these reviews.
You know,
Give me something.
You know,
We're going on to number 8.
Oh my God.
That was number 7?
Yes.
Do I break the seal?
I think you might just need to.
Do it, Donna Karen. Do it.
Do it. Karen.
Fine. We did it.
All right, this one's fun. Number 8, so many compliments. This costume fit like a glove on me, and I got so many compliments. One of the best Halloween costumes I've ever
Drew was like, if it ain't like Black Panther, Storm, what else have you been?
nipples were hard the moment I saw it.
If it doesn't say
Right. And if they don't sound
Here's
like,
the thing.
I don't trust these people.
Julia's granddaughter charity event.
Out.
Kid's birthday, she's out. It brought lots of attention to being unique. It brought lots of attention to. Did recommend to others as they were impressed by the costume. Definitely rated a 5-star. Can't wait for next Halloween.
they're just very basic reviews. It's like, fits well,
Right.
da-da-da-da. Like, where's the, oh my goodness, this
Blew me
thing
away.
was
Won the
sparkling
costume
and oh my
contest.
gosh, and you know,
I think I'm basing it off of the inflection that you give the rating.
maybe, read this one with some pizzazz.
Yeah.
I thought I was being pizzazzy.
No, you are being pizzazzy, but sometimes you read the other ones like, it da-da-da. And I'm like,
so this
well,
is-
I don't know.
It's not your fault.
It's my fault.
Number 10.
See, it makes you like want it.
Yeah.
True to the picture. We won the contest with it.
Oh! We.
Oh, damn.
It's probably one of the weird,
Yeah,
like
it's like one of the horse ones, like you're the
you're
butt.
like, you're the butt.
You want to throw this in there?
Or it could be like couples costume, like Deadpool and whoever.
Best friends, Jackie and Drew.
Let's click it at the same time.
Somebody's gonna be the
Wait,
butt.
ready? Put
We're
your
doing
finger
this
down.
good, Neil.
3, 2, 1.
That was some like Scar Mufasa shit. I'm so
Drew is savage.
Drew's got an agenda today.
That was probably the funniest thing to ever happen.
That was some straight up
You
Scar.
know why that was messed up? It's because I was like, we're gonna have a really good friendship moment. You know who you are from 300. You're the guy that like.
All right, you guys, we are gonna be unboxing the items that the girls didn't choose, and I somehow ended up with like the most costumes of us all.
I make the rules.
So yeah, fun for me, I guess. So in love. Got this for a Halloween festival at my son's school. Was gonna be setting up for hours ahead of time. Needed something they could pull together quickly to be ready. Okay, so this is like lounging, scary,
Zip
warmer.
up.
Onesie for
Something
sure.
over the
School.
face because she had to do her makeup.
You're gonna both regret it. Oh,
Wait, it looks cute.
Oh,
That's cute.
That's something I definitely want.
I'm mad.
I'm so mad.
Skeleton, that's cute.
And it's from Tipsy Elf. Dang it!
Make the best onesie.
Dang it. And they're expensive.
Let us take the load
Let's
off.
take the load off of you.
wow, how the turntables, you know what I mean? Really, it's just, everyone was trying to give them to me, and now I ended up, I'm loving today.
That is the perfect
This
walk
is-
line
this is
outfit, like,
honestly
at night, you
perfect.
know?
To scare away people, I'm gonna wear that to walk my
And,
dog.
like, no
I
mosquito
want
bites.
it.
It's too late for that.
All right, item number 2, which we skipped, which means it goes to Madeline. I was the best costume at work. Ooh, spicy. This is a great costume. I wore a black shirt and pants and then put on the blank, my costume. It is lightweight and easy to wear. Everyone thought it was very clever. Ooh, wait.
What?
Huh?
Oh, it's a 2-part series.
Huh? It's like you blow.
I'm so curious.
Wait, wait, before I open it, what do you guys think this is?
Some type of life.
Oh, it's like a picture frame. Oh my gosh, like it's a Mona Lisa.
so clever.
Yo, that's
is
funny.
clever.
That's really funny.
That's so cute.
Wait, that's really
Wait, wait,
freaking
wait.
cool.
Wait, that is
Oh, wait,
so...
look this way. Yeah.
Wait, that is like, that is clever. I like that. Your foundation doesn't match your neck.
Oh no.
Perfect match, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, review number 4. Great last second costume. All the pieces are there and takes the annoying guesswork out of making a costume. The blank was super soft and comfy. Perfect. Oh yeah, for a sexy
cat.
cold weather costume. I live in Tahoe, so I paired this with some black over the knee boots with wool socks underneath. It's definitely gonna be a cat.
It's cat.
Okay, yeah. I
Meow.
can see that. Oh,
See?
it's like the Cheeto.
This
It's
is
like
why. This is why.
like flaming hot Cheeto cat.
This is why.
Ew.
It looks like.
I like that they attach the tail though to the back of it. That's something. You're gonna look great in that.
That's what I'm
You're
not
gonna look
into.
so beautiful.
You are gonna look really good.
Makes me want hot
The
Cheetos
material's
real bad.
nice.
I just like a black cat. I like a sleek,
That's
sultry
different.
black cat. This is just giving like zoo.
My first trip to the zoo.
All right, everyone, review number 6. Got to wear this for a charity dunk tank event. Perfect throwback. It's good that this ended up with me. Throwback. Benefit was that it dried quickly and was not heavy at all. Okay,
Do we think-
throwback.
Baywatch.
Maybe it is Baywatch.
Baywatch.
No, I already saw a little peek. I
not.
don't think it's big.
What is it?
Oh, what?
Is this a Madeline costume?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Madeline! Madeline is perfect! It could not be more
like,
perfect.
literally
This
could not
is
be more perfect.
This could not be more perfect.
Madeline, that's so perfect.
The fact that this was meant to be.
I knew I was destined.
It brought lots of attention to being unique. Oh yeah, I was like, Did recommend to others as they were impressed by the costume. Definitely rated a 5-star. Can't wait for next Halloween.
Yeah, what is he? Oh no, this looks like it's gonna be a blow up.
It's gonna be a blow up.
No, what? Is
Is
it like the jockey riding the like?
Oh yeah, probably because that's the hat. Yep.
What?
Oh yay!
It looks so good.
I've always wanted to be an ostrich rider.
These are always really hilarious though.
They are.
It's
They're
so much fun.
really
I don't have the
entertaining.
energy to blow all that up.
We gotta see Linus's reaction to me with this. He's probably gonna freak out.
That would be hilarious.
Oh, and it has reins.
Yeah, that's fun.
All right, so we're now finally on the items that we did pick. I picked review number 3. So freaking cute. At first, I didn't know how to feel about the costume, but it exceeded expectations. I got several compliments from coworkers and strangers. Definitely worth the purchase. I added 2 tutus I already owned underneath to make it pop. Overall, great, but I totally forgot about this. I was like, oh, it's definitely gonna be something from like olden days.
Yeah, this is something you're hoping
might
is like
be.
a petticcoat. Oh,
Oh, it looks pop.
Oh God, I should have known.
oh, it's
I
giving
should
Alice
have.
in Wonderland.
cute.
Oh wait!
I mean, it's pretty cute.
Yeah. It's definitely not me, but like it's fun, and I understand why she put the 2 tutus at the bottom to
Yeah.
like
Give it more
more of them.
flowers.
But oh my God.
I kind of like that. It is kind of
Cute.
vintage. You could wear that as like a Sanderson sister too, like Hocus Pocus.
I
Yeah.
could if I just put like a black thing underneath to
Yeah,
make it like real
long-
witchy. Well, that
Cute.
was fun. I mean, what was I gonna expect? You know, this is very in line with what I thought it could possibly be, so I wasn't
cute.
off. Yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
Could be worse.
It could
It could be worse.
Hey, it's me again.
Oh, this is a good one.
All right, this is the one where you and I think went head to head. I think. Oh yeah, the hit. There's no words to express how hot this is. Wait, oh no, this is bad! She's making a joke, like it's hot.
See? Art? Oh no,
No!
I thought it was gonna actually be
Because it's
hot.
laughing emojis. She's not being serious at all.
Maybe it will be.
Oh, Cruella de Vil.
Oh.
I don't get it. I don't get it. Is it hot? I don't get it.
Maybe it is. Oh,
What
yeah. That's slutty.
Oh.
Yeah, slutty.
Wait a meanie. Where's Linus?
Yes!
Wow, this will be something.
Is
Wow.
that like one of those chokers?
No, it's for my leg.
I like the gloves.
Okay, that is hot.
Okay, can't wait to try this on.
It is hot.
Oh, that's hot.
I just know that this is going to be the most inconvenient, ugliest one that it Great costume. Hey, it's a costume, so I wasn't expecting a Donna Karen. I used it twice. Granddaughter B-Day party and Halloween. Stood up well. Passed it on to a friend because as a woman, can't be seen in the same outfit too often.
Well, when you read it like that.
Oh, Mickey.
Okay, you just said you wanted to go to Disneyland.
Okay, I like Mickey.
Oh my
Mouse.
God, you're gonna make that look sexy. It's the least sexy costume, but you're gonna make it look so cute.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, that's fun.
I like that.
I
Cute.
like it.
So many compliments. This costume fit like a glove on me.
It's gonna be hot.
Ah! And I got so many compliments. One of the best Halloween costumes I've ever worn. What are you?
Oh,
I think I got this for Sinead for
Hell yeah!
cute.
Cool.
Space NASA
Is this
girl.
from Fashion Nova?
This is cute.
What is with the beanie
Whoa!
cut though?
Oh,
definitely-
Lord have mercy. These
Those are like Yeezys.
dope. Wait a minute.
Wait, I like that. I actually
Oh
really
my.
like that.
Yeah,
What
and
is up
those
with
go on
these
your
leg
legs.
things? Who knew that today was gonna be such a great day? The last and
The flag is
final review number 10. True to the picture, we won the contest with it. This is the one where you left me out.
I'll put it on with you.
I think it's a pony. It's a unicorn. What is this?
It's a loofah? Oh, it's like
Soap
soap
and
and
a
a
loofah.
I
I'll
should
do it
use
with
that
you.
tutu for underneath my other costume.
There you go.
Oh,
The shower cap.
Wait, and a little
Ooh.
beret looking one.
I think this was very successful. I'm very happy with all the costumes that I personally tried on today.
We always love this game, but it's fun when you throw in a twist, you know?
I'm thriving over here.
You truly are. If you guys like any of these costumes, you're in luck because they are all linked down below in the description. So get to click in and not clucking.
Gobble, gobble, gobble!
Gobble, 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 gobble. So it is a jerky.
It's not.
Happy
Happy Halloween, you guys.